Hello folks, so in this session I would be explaining you how you can create multiple watch list in free TradingView account, because by default the free TradingView account will not allow you to create multiple watch list, but there is a trick which we can use and we can create multiple watch list for free in the TradingView and take advantage of it. So this is one wonderful trick very few people knows, and I'm going to explain you how you can use. For this you need either Android or iOS device. I'm going to show you this example in Android device. You can apply the same in iOS. Let me show you my screen. So here you can see this is my Android device, and in this Android device you can see I have a TradingView app. Make sure you have the TradingView app and you logged in with the same TradingView app over here. For example, here you can see I had logged in with one particular account. With the same account, I am also logged in over here. Let me show you. Let's say here is one account, free account, which we created while starting of the course, and the same account I am logged in over here. Now, what I need to do, let's say this is my profile, you can see, and here the same profile I am in, you can see the same profile I am in over here. Okay, trading for training, that's the free demo account which we created, I hope you remember. And what I'm going to do over here is I will show you. Simply just go to watch list, and you can see here is an option like this. Click on this. This is the default one, and you can see there is an option of watch list, right? Just click on this. See, click on the plus and you can see there is a watch list name. Let me create one name. Let's say breakout. Okay, breakout, and any name. I'm going to hit create, and you can see I got created one breakout. Let me add one symbol over here. Let's say uh any, let's say gold. I had added gold over here. Now what would be the advantage of doing this? Similarly you can add, let's say, XAZ USD. Okay, let me add one more symbol. Let me add, let's say, mind tree. Anything, doesn't matter, right? So see, I had added few symbol over here, and that's it. After this, what I will do is I will come to my screen, and here you can see this breakout list appears. Cool, right? Means now you have multiple watch list on your screen, so that as per your need you would be calculating whatever the watch list you need. Let me remove this drawing. Yeah, so you can see whatever the watch list you want, you can create. Let me just go on my device, again going to the watch list, and let's say I'm going to create one more watch list. Okay, and that is a watch list like uh, near 52-week high. Let's say all the stocks which are near 52-week high, I'm going to use those stocks, and I hit create. One watch list got created, and just for a testing purpose I'm just adding any stock. Okay, let's say for example, let me see if something I can add. Let's say anything, it's random, right? You can see I had added one. Okay, so just go here and you can see 52-week high that is being added over here. Means whatever the changes I'm doing on my smartphone, the same changes are being reflected over here, right? If I go back to my watch list, you can see these are the watch list I have. 52-week high I have, then I have this breakout patterns. For example, I'm finding somewhere I'm finding hammer over there. So these things I am going to use. So this is the trick which you can apply and create multiple multiple watch list in the free account. I hope this demonstration would be helpful for you, and you would be using this like to just make your trade to the next level.